You know what? I'm not going to call this a Camaro Yenko tribute. I'm going to call it a Camaro Yenko clone. This is one of the most authentic, maybe the most authentic Yenko clones that I've had. So it's a 69 Camaro, complete nut and bolt restoration, under 20 miles on it since it's been done. I'm talking T3 lights, spiral shocks, the correct 1969 427 engine with all the right hoses and spark plug wires and distributor and carburetor and heads and everything. This thing is really, really done nice. Even has vintage Stewart Warner style gauges inside. Go to volocars.com. We have over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with all the pictures and description and videos and finance information. You can also scan the QR code on your screen and they'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description, they'll do the same. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Now, recently, real ones, several of them have sold for over $500,000. One in particular brought $1.8 million. So the real Yenko cars are just skyrocketing. For those that don't know, Don Yenko took Camaros and he put 427s in them. 396 was the limit unless you had special ordered through Copo. He only made a couple, 200 and some of them originally. So the body's excellent. It's got the metal cowl hood, all fits square, flush. The fender's all clean. Radiodelete, so there's no antenna. All the door clean, straight, no bubble, no cracking. Even the jams are done up real nice and slick. I knew I didn't do it hard enough. The roof is excellent, no issues coming down the quarter panels here. All this is nice, clean. Got the rear spoiler, the rear valance, all nice, clean, straight. I don't see anything to complain about. According to the tag, it is code 7676. It's Daytona Yellow up and down. Behind the tire, all nice, clean. It even has factory dimples here. According to the restorer, it's original metal. The quarters, the floors, the trunk. And again, all this is nice, no issues. The roof is straight, no cracks on the pillars. All that's nice and clean and straight. Shuts real nice and solid. So beautiful body with beautiful polished Daytona Yellow. It has the Yenko striping. It's Yenko Super Coupe is what that stands for. It's not a super sport. They started with plain Camaros. The grille is real nice. Like I said, T3 headlights, the bumper, the lenses, the spoiler, all that's replaced. They even replaced all the glass. Not only did they buy the glass, but they bought reproduction glass. It has the proper markings on all the windows. You pay extra for that. The little bit of trim it does have, the emblems, the stainless moldings, all looks new. Has the Yenko emblem there as well. They came with rally wheels, or a lot of them had the torque thrust wheels. So that's a reproduction of the torque thrust wheel. It has a little Yenko medallion on the center cap. Excuse me. Goodyear wide tread reproduction tires. Still has the nubs on the tread. It hasn't even been worn off yet or burned off yet. Yenko emblems here. Tail lights replaced. So the outside of the car is virtually new. Is the Yenko Tune sticker right there. Let's open it up. I got a lot more good stuff, a lot of details to show you. All right. See what we have here. We got nice yellow paint. Stickers are looking real good. Jam is nice and slick. Weather strip replaced. Inside is clean metal with a spatter finish. Yeah, nice car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Door jambs are painted. All the weather strips, sill plates, they've been replaced too. The window seals. Complete reproduction interior. Door panels, even the little lock knob, the armrest, the handles, the cranks, all been replaced. Now all this is replaced, the vents and the knobs. 140 mile an hour speedometer, only 14 miles showing on the car right now. That's since the restoration. And here's a reproduction Stewart Warner tachometer. A lot of the Yenkos put in the Stewart Warner gauges instead of the factory gauges. As an original gas gauge, radiodelete. And then here's the other Stewart Warner gauges. You got oil pressure, temperature, and volt gauge. New glove box liner. Nice kick panels, nice fitting carpet, 4-speed Hurst shifter. And a lot of Yenkos were like this. They weren't all full of frills and console and houndstooth interiors. You got GM seat belts. The seats have been recushioned, reupholstered. Super Yenko coupe on the headrests. The seat backs replaced. Same thing back here. Got all the seat belts. It's upholstered. The side panels, the window cranks, all replaced. The rear shelf, all the trim around the rear windows looking real nice. The sail panels and headliner aren't wrinkled up. They're all looking good. The visors are looking good. The mirror is new. Reproduction steering wheel, no Super Sport emblem because these were not Super Sports. That's all reproduction, all new, all looking good. I think it would take a real expert to tell this is not even a real one, to be honest with you. I wouldn't be able to tell. So this isn't just a 454 dressed up. It's an actual dated 1969 high performance block. Has the 512 casting. It makes this block very desirable. Has the correct square port heads. One indicator is this little bump right here. I think we also have the casting number off of them. Has the correct aluminum GM Winters intake. It has a 780 Holley dual feed carb. And according to the notes I got from the seller, I didn't verify it, but the distributor and alternator have the right numbers too. Reproduction spark plug wires, correct exhaust manifolds. You see the firewall, it's all nice and clean as the assembly line markings. This is where big block hoses go into the heater core. All nice, clean, as the dust shield over the front suspension. Delco battery topper, spring clamp cables. It has the deep groove pulleys that came on these engines because it revs so high you don't want the belts flying off. All the metal surfaces are painted nice. The right radiator with the curved neck, that's correct. I never see them go that far. Right hoses and clamps. The squirters are hooked up. Cadmium plated brake booster for the power brakes. The tag that is on the firewall is 76 paint code. You have the gray phosphate colored hinges. The Cowl induction is actually hooked up. So that's a flapper door in there, and that air gets forced into the engine. So you got all the right stuff here. Michael's going to take you for a drive. So this car would be considered nut and bolt restoration, and it's obvious when you look underneath because literally every nut and bolt, every component was off the car, restored, replaced. All of the suspension is fresh, all rebuilt, steering and suspension. They use reproduction spiral shocks. That's what it would have had. The whole brake system's been redone, just like factory. Disc in front, drum in back, all the lines and hoses, even the e-brake assemblies all replaced. All new correct fuel system. Factory correct dual exhaust. Goes into the transverse muffler, has the right tailpipes. It sounds just right. When you start this car, it sounds just like it's supposed to. Again, everything's fresh. Look up at the motor, the oil pan, the starter, the fuel pump. Everything you see is fresh. It actually has a 1969 dated Muncie 4-speed transmission in there that's fresh. A restored drive shaft with the assembly line markings on it. In back, it's got a 12-bolt rear end with, I think it's 355 posi gears in this one. The floors are immaculate, and the guy that restored it said they're original, and they're painted, and then it has the yellow overspray from the body, which would be correct. So what you see under there is just how it would have looked new. If this was a documented Yenko, this car would probably be one of the $1 million cars. It's that good, it's that authentic, that correct. Good thing for you, it's not, so it's a fraction of that price. Someone's going to get one heck of a car here. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get your Yenko clone delivered home. Thanks for watching.